Okay, just got to Harbor Freight. We're gonna go see what they got. Y'all said get 80, and then once I get it smooth, or the rust smooth down, then take it up to a 360 to a 600. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see what y'all talking about. I hope y'all don't mislead me. Okay, made it to Harbor Freight. You see I got a sander and the grits that y'all recommended. So we're gonna see what y'all talking about. I hope y'all know what y'all talking about. Just because I want a black prime, we're gonna go on with this. Okay, I finally got everything set up. We're underneath the tent. I got my generator for my power source. So this is what I got. We went with this, the 20V by Bauer. This is a better look, my bad y'all. Orbital sander though. And then we got our primer. And we went with black just because it's simple, it's clean. We got, this is what y'all recommended. Okay, I got the 600, I got a 180, I got an 80. Yeah, okay. And then this, I already had some of this. So this is just what I had when I did my 95. I got tape. I got this pack-in protective paper for my windows. And then we got this. And that's just to go on this, just so we get, you know, an even spread. So definitely got our work cut out for us. I'm nervous, but you know, my 95 didn't come out too bad, and it was a pretty fast process, so it should be okay. But y'all, so you see, this is why it's different from all the other kits, because it's literally like, it's, I don't know, like etched in. It says T-Bird GST. So the one that we had got, it didn't come with the battery and stuff. It was just the tool on it. So I had to take it back, and I had to get the one with the cord. So now we're unboxing the one with the cord. Okay, y'all, but again, this is why you read and you don't rush, because this is Velcro back, but my pads I got are sticky back, so we're just gonna make it work. So it's the next morning. I had to stop last night just because it was dark, but this is one coat, y'all see? So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna wet sand her, and basically I'm gonna do it again. This is what I'm using, so stay tuned.